welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, me and Cyan, we're doing a challenge. I am challenging her to do decorating a Halloween house. And before I get to any further guys, I want you guys to like, subscribe and hit my post notification bell so that you guys don't miss a post when I post. I'm gonna challenge Cyan to see, you know, which one of us can decorate it to make it look exactly.
You're not ready. You're not ready.
Exactly like what's on the box. So that's what I am doing to her. Exactly like what's on the box, guys. Okay. No creativity, guys. Just what's on the box.
Oh, look at
so guys, look at the box. Yes. See? So let me take the house out of the box. You can see all the house. See the house here? Yeah. So we are going to decorate the house now.
Wait, these are two different boxes.
It's the same box.
No, yours has that and mine doesn't have that.
It's the same box. It's the same box. It's the same box. I'm doing the front, and I don't know you want to do the side. It's the same box.
So there's different designs.
Yes.
So was I supposed to do the one you're doing?
You're supposed to do the whole entire house.
But look, there's this one version or there's
this version.
version.
As we said, the design you do.
Okay.
Girlfriend, you do what's on the box.
Look at this house.
It's the same house. This is the back. That's one door here. That's the back. But and there's two sides.
But there's this one, and there's this one, and there's this one, and there's only two sides of the roof.
You know what, guys? I didn't even see that it was like different houses. I started to do the white house, the house with the spider net on top. Wow, look at this. But then there's not enough ice.
So should I change mine and do that one?
This one? No, you could do which one. Listen, it's just which one look better. So it doesn't
mine's
matter.
More professional anyways.
Yes. But you know what? I am not even going to dignify that with an answer. So this now, you just have to just cut off a little edge, eh? Okay.
You can't ask me that.
Okay, yeah, okay. So you're gonna be like that. Where's the scissors? Watch me, I spin around like a chicken. I look for the scissors. I could have sworn I have the scissors. Cyan, yes, I just see this. See, guys, she's sabotaging me already. She's hiding the scissors.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, my roof. Don't look at my roof. My roof is beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Nobody can tell me that about my roof. Oh my gosh. You could look at it. You could look at it just so you get nervous. Look how beautiful that is so far. So now I'm gonna cut out my little windows. These are them right here. I'm just gonna cut them out and put them on there and let this side dry. I have to repeat this same thing on the next side. My green is running out though, but it's okay.
Guys, I'm not ready to show you guys anything yet.
It's giving an amateur.
As soon as I'm ready, I'm gonna show, but I'm not ready yet.
You seen what the pro did? The pro used this. The pro used this, not the scissors.
Oh God, I was trying to do a quick cut.
No, you have to saw it.
Okay, alright, thank you. The pro let me know that I have to saw the cookie. I didn't know that I need to saw it.
You seem nervous over there. Are you nervous?
No.
You should be.
Why should I be nervous? I'm not nervous.
So, is this your first time decorating?
This is my first time doing a Halloween challenge. So you gotta bear with your grandmama. I always do Christmas house, but never a Halloween house, because you know guys know that I don't really do Halloween like that.
Oh no. Mine is slipping a little bit here. So I'm just gonna push it back up. You guys see how beautiful?
Boy, this is so awkward.
Yours look awkward?
Very. I don't even know what I'm gonna do on this challenge as yet.
What do I get when I win?
What do you get when you win? A good boss ass. That's the only thing you'll get. A good goddamn spanking.
Oh my God.
So guys, as you can see, we are getting there slowly but surely. And my girl over here, over there, thinks she have win, but she have a whipping it.
I think we could clearly tell who's the winner. I only have one more side to do because I'm a pro and I just moved. Cass, how many sides do you have?
Well, guys, as you could see, I done 2 sides and I'm on my 3rd side, so I have 1 more sides to do. So, you know,
I'm on my last.
that's
side.
okay. Well, it's all good. Because true, I have to make sure my one is pretty fantastico. I'm just checking out my decorating skill. It's been a while.
It's horrible.
Denied.
It's okay. You could say it's horrible. That's all right. I'm not worried. You know, you're in the judge. The judge is going to decide whether it's horrible or not.
I just look over there. My eye nearly pop out.
Bomba.
Yeah, it didn't pop out. Oh, it look good, eh?
No. I'm wondering if it's you that did that or if it's Milo that did that.
Milo, my God, what a liberty. Why them say liberty? People can't take liberty. She definitely is taking liberty with me. So yeah, Milo do me thing, but it's all good. Well, guys, this was really a challenge. Oh my God, it was definitely a challenge to me. Miss Cyan did pretty well. Oh, show them.
This is Mama Jones. You're turning. You're turning.
I'm turning. Yeah, you don't have to focus on that. To focus on the rest.
Okay.
Okay. So this is mine.
All right, and this is her props. Okay. And this is mine. Now don't get too excited when you see mine. Don't get too excited. Okay. And these are my props. And that's that. So
Anyway, guys, I sure what to do to all of our props, make our
No,
props
you
them
didn't.
stand up.
No, you
My one
didn't.
was
So
falling
what's
down,
going
so
on?
I just leave
you
them,
didn't
make
show
them
me
fall
anything.
down.
I said this is for the to go on the back of them. And I wasn't gonna make mine stand up, but since you were making them stand up, I'm like, okay, we'll do it. Alright, you guys, so Christian and Reef is here now. They just came and now we're gonna get them to judge which one that they think is better. They don't know which is which. We're just standing randomly, so
Yeah.
come in, guys.
And you guys look, do you know you got to touch it, spin it around.
Yeah, we can. Let's move
Advance
on.
on- move
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's just say you ladies did a really good job.
From what I'm looking at right now, y'all did your thing. Y'all threw down on it.
Y'all
I ain't
threw
gonna
down.
lie.
Wait, can we eat this after?
Yeah.
I'm good.
You can if you want. You can.
I'm good.
To eat.
I'm good. Y'all can eat it.
Yeah.
I'm analyzing.
Turn it. You can turn
You
it.
can
if you
turn
Oh,
want.
you can turn it?
I feel like there's so much detail put into this.
There's so much
Both.
detail, y'all, that's put into these. It's crazy. And then we also have, this is
Props.
cool. This is props at the side, like coffin. Ooh! There's no.
And then the leaves.
They did crazy on this. Oh, wow. Nah, this is what you call. This is what you call lit. It's nothing like me. You already know. If I was doing this, it would have been 10 times better.
Oh, okay.
But
Really?
let's do a switch.
Oh my gosh, this is supposed to be a ghost, isn't it? There's like little white icing with black heads. It's like
I
a
like
ghost.
this. I like this, y'all. This is
Yay!
good. This is supposed to be the spider web. You got the bats.
I was just about to say, I see the bats, and even the doors are decorated all Halloweenish.
Yeah, I like this. I like this.
Yeah, these are sweet.
This is a
These
tough one.
Yeah.
This is actually a really tough one right now.
Okay, but I think I have my decision.
You have your decision?
I think I have my decision.
Okay, take one last look.
I just realized this is a spider web on the roof.
Yeah, spider web on the roof there. Spider web over there. This is very tough. This is hard because
It's so nice.
they're both so good that it's like, for me, it's gonna come down to the neatness. Because they're both really good. They're both really good. Man.
You can even like do this side, turn, look at these sides, like look at these sides compared, turn it, look at these sides
Okay,
compared.
yeah, that's a good idea. So let's do these sides. That's a good idea.
Okay.
Now we're looking at the two sides. This is kind of plain over here, but it kind of like makes sense. I can see what's going on here. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the two windows here, and then you see the bats, so there's detail there. I like that detail because it's showing like, yo, this is my house. You get me? Over here, this is quite plain, but you can tell what it is. It's like just the windows. There's nothing really here, so that's that. Alright, so let's turn it around. Okay. Now, I'm not sure what's going on here.
Damn, son, where'd you
I'm not
find
quite
this?
sure what's going on here. What do you think? What do you like?
No, I agree. This one, I don't really know what's happening here, but that's the beauty of Halloween. You never really know what's happening. It's just like Halloween's like a hot mess. You see what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
it's just like
It's all over the place and things.
And then this one, I like it because there's ghosts. I can see that this is ghost town. You see what I'm saying? And then the detail at the bottom, it's like that could be blood.
Right.
Ooh. You know what I'm talking
All right. Should we go back around? Is this the same side?
about? This side.
It's different? No, it's this side.
Okay.
Okay.
I really like this. I like the different colors of the leaves and the pumpkin in the middle. But then this person did the same thing here. Oh, that wasn't me. They did the same thing here, but I like the leaves better than I do the balls. The doorways is a bit better on that one.
It's a tough decision to make. But I shall go first.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with this one because I love the green. Like this makes it look like an actual spider web. It's like Spider-Man. It reminds me of the Spider-Man. And I like this. This is very neat.
Okay.
It's like a tombstone. This is good. I like the eyes on it. It makes it look like there's eyes like looking at you.
Right. I'm actually gonna go with this one.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go with this one because I feel like there was, although they're both really good, there was still, I think, a little bit more features on here that I was enjoying.
Mm-hmm.
But it was a tough decision.
Overall. So, ladies, from what it's looking like a
It's
tie,
Okay.
right? Because I said this one, she said that one.
So
All
now
together,
what?
guys, they were both good.
Yeah.
So now, what that means is you guys in the comments, all right, we're gonna put up a poll in the community post, right? So now you guys are gonna vote who had the better Halloween gingerbread house. So, ladies, please
Yes.
go to
Okay,
your designs.
So,
Oh my
so this is Mama Joan design,
Okay.
and that's
Side.
Cyan design.
Wow.
You guys did really well.
Y'all did really good.
Thank you.
You guys did
you.
really good.
Look
You
at
know
that.
what? I should have known that this was my mom's because she over decorates everything.
Oh, right.
Especially her house during Christmas
Bear
or whatever,
ornaments.
bear ornaments and stuff like that. I should have known.
Yeah.
But guys, we're gonna need you guys to basically choose who it is. But
yeah.
honestly, this right
This
here
was
for me
fired, eh?
was just
Yeah,
that is so
yeah,
dope.
that's nice.
I don't know
yeah.
how you did that, but that's what took it for me.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, I didn't have, I ran out of white, so the little white thing with them give was enough to do my spider web how I wanted to, but that's okay. So anyway, guys, there you got it. And we come to the end of the video, so like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell things of mine, so you guys don't miss a post when I post. And we're out of here.
We out.
Yeah.